Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of monk mode and how it can help us find inner peace and focus in our hectic lives. So, let's dive into the 5 steps of monk mode. Step 1. Eliminate external distractions. The first step of monk mode is to eliminate external distractions that hinder our focus and productivity. This includes reducing screen time, social media usage, and any unnecessary noise that pulls us away from our goals. By minimizing external distractions, we create space for deep concentration and introspection. Step 2. Create a daily ritual. Next, it's important to establish a daily ritual that supports your journey into monk mode. This can include waking up early, practicing meditation, journaling, or engaging in a physical exercise routine. Having a consistent daily ritual helps us maintain discipline and cultivates a sense of purpose. Step 3. Embrace solitude and reflection. Monk mode encourages us to embrace solitude and allocate time for self-reflection. This can involve finding a quiet space, disconnecting from technology, and simply being present with our thoughts. In solitude, we gain clarity and insight into our goals, values, and personal growth. Step 4. Nourish your mind and body. To truly thrive in monk mode, we must prioritize nourishing our minds and bodies. This includes reading books that inspire personal growth, adopting a healthy lifestyle through exercise and nutrition, and engaging in activities that bring us joy. By taking care of our mental and physical well-being, we enhance our focus, energy, and overall sense of well-being. Step 5. Cultivate mindfulness in everyday life. Lastly, monk mode encourages us to cultivate mindfulness in our everyday lives. This means being fully present in each moment, whether it's while eating, working, or engaging in conversations with others. By practicing mindfulness, we become more attuned to the beauty and richness of each experience, fostering a deeper sense of gratitude and contentment. And there you have it, the 5 steps of monk mode. Remember, monk mode is not about completely isolating ourselves from the world, but rather finding a balance that allows us to prioritize our growth and well-being. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal growth and self-improvement. Wishing you peace and focus on your journey into monk mode. Take care, and until next time.